Hey guys, today we're going to make cookie butter fudge. We're using the Biscoff cookie butter
Yum.
and some Biscoff cookies that I have crunched up. So we're going to put all that in after we get it all together here. So first off, I have 3 cups of granulated sugar in my pan and a stick and a half of butter. And then I have 2/3 cup, which would be a half a can, because I can get 2 of them into this, of evaporated milk. Make sure you shake that well before you put her in there though. So we've got that in here, in my pan. And then we're going to heat this up until we hit 200, and I like to do about 34 degrees. That makes it really creamy, the fudge is, and it's not real chalky. Like, I don't like it real crunchy, like it falls apart. I like it creamy where it just melts in your mouth. So that's what we're doing here. We're going to put in some marshmallow cream when we take it off the heat, some vanilla, and that Biscoff butter, cookie butter. Now they say, I'll give you a little that, because this Biscoff cookie butter is about $5 and something for a small jar. But they say Aldi has it. It's called Speculoos or something like that. They have the cookie butter. And it's $3 and something a jar. So, and they say it's really good. But, you know, I don't know if you can beat the Biscoff. But nowadays everybody needs to do the cheaper stuff, probably would assume.
And it's probably the same stuff, just labeled different.
Sometimes they're just labeled different. Some people say they can get Miracle Whip there, but it's a different brand. But it's packaged by the same company, so. So we got this going here. I've got a little pan here with some parchment paper on it. And I don't know what size pan that is. I will measure that and let you know. Oh, showing them my Diet Mountain Dew.
Showing them your hamburger we're going to make.
Yeah, we're going to have tacos
Taco
here
salad after a while.
This. And here's the hammer that Billy made. It says Thor on that side. Billy's Wood Shop on that side. He made that for himself to use out in his wood shop. For whatever. I told him, well, I could use that instead of the iron skillet hitting him in the head.
It'd break hitting my head.
Party. Guys, we're still going to have a hot day today. Woo! 90s again with high humidity. So I'm hoping my candy turns out. I know when you have high humidity, sometimes things just don't work out like you want when you're doing baking and candy.
Yeah,
making.
I'm ready for fall already.
We got one more hot day tomorrow, and then Thursday it's supposed to be in the 80s, which I love the 80s. 80s era and 80s degrees.
I'll take 70s.
Alright guys, we're going to let this come up to a boil and we'll be back. Alright, my pan is about a 12.5 by 8. Okay? It's not very thick, about an inch and a half thick. And this is what we're looking at right now. It's boiling rapidly, and you have to stir it constantly because you don't want that milk and sugar to burn and butter. So we're keeping it stirred. And then we'll come back when we're almost at the temperature, 234 degrees, and show you. Alright guys, we're at 230 degrees. So we're getting ready to take it off here. Let it get up about 4 more degrees. It's starting to, as you can see, it's starting to get thick. I don't know, can you see that with that thermometer in the way? It's starting to get a little thicker, which is what we want.
And what all you have in there right now?
I have 3 cups of sugar, 1.5 sticks of butter, and 2/3 cup of evaporated milk. And that's all is in here. So
No peanut butter or anything like that?
Nothing yet. Not till we take it off the burner.
Oh.
And we are there. So we're going to turn it off. We're going to bring it over here. And this, let me shake this up. This will make it pop a little bit. Put a teaspoon of vanilla in there. We're going to put 7-ounce jar of marshmallow cream. That's the good stuff there. And if you take your spoon that you were stirring it with, it comes out a whole lot easier because your spoon was hot. So you can get just about all of it out of there.
Good thinking.
It's not my first time. So then we're going to put in this. I'm just doing it like I would peanut butter fudge. I've never made it with the Biscoff before. So 1/2 cup to 3/4, however you guess it. Somewhere around there. Oops. All right. And now we just get her all stirred up. And if you got shoulder trouble or carpal tunnel in that hand, it's not easy to do. So, might have to have somebody do it for you at some point.
Luckily, you're young enough not to have to worry about that.
Yeah, my shoulder's already been replaced. And since I don't work anymore, I don't have much carpal tunnel, so I'm not sorting mail or pulling change out of the drawer. Well, it's looking good. Can you see that?
Smells good too. Y'all need smell-o-vision.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm going to put in, I forgot, I'm going to put in some of these cookies. So might as well get them stirred in there too. Since I got it almost all mixed up. I'm going to save a little bit to sprinkle on top. So instead of nuts, we're putting in cookies.
I bet that's going to be really good. That would be expensive fudge though, right?
Yeah, because of that. This here is $5 and something just for that. All right.
So you'd have to double the price of what you normally sell it for.
I don't know. I used to sell it. It's been a long time since I've sold fudge, but I will sell it now this year. I think I'm going to do some of that stuff around when it gets a little chillier out. It's too hot now to sit outside and sell stuff.
Well, speaking of chili, that sounds good. Some homemade chili.
All right, guys. Look at that. I'll save that for you.
Okay. You never heard me complain about that, did you?
And then we're going to sprinkle some of these on top.
I bet you can't wait to taste that.
I'm not going to eat any of it.
Lord, she's just fibbing. She's not really telling a lie. She's just fibbing.
I'm just joking. All right, we're going to let this sit up, and then we'll be back and do a taste test for you. All right, guys. Doing the taste test here. So I'll pull this out here. Look at that.
Yum.
Take a piece here on the corner.
You probably won't like it.
Smells pretty good. Let's taste it. No, I like it. That's so good, guys. Woo.
Good catch.
And then that piece there had a piece of that cookie in it, a crunch. Guys, if you got the cookie butter, try it. And you don't even have to put the cookies in it. Just use the cookie butter, because I have made white chocolate peanut butter fudge, and all I did, you know, like with the peanut butter, you don't put any nuts or anything in it. I don't. But you can do the same with this without adding the cookies, because they're expensive. I'm going to try to keep the cost down. So, guys, look at this. And this is about a 3-pound batch. So I used to sell them in like 1, 2, 3. So I would even those up. And I wouldn't even cut them. I would just leave them in the block, wrap them in wax paper and aluminum foil, sell them for a pound. So, and I sold, I don't know how much of it. So, guys, if you're wanting to make some extra money, that may be a way to do some fudge here. And the winter's coming. We got Christmas in July right now. Candy. So, Bill's wanting me to make some peanut brittle. He's been after me for that, and I still haven't made that, but yet I'm eating fudge.
And I'll take both.
Yeah. He likes both. He's just got him a cup of coffee. He says, I think that needs some fudge.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So, he's going to have his coffee, and we're going to get off of here and
enjoy it.
Yeah. And like, comment, share, subscribe, please, and help us grow. And thanks for watching the Biker Baker and Mr. Smith show. Peace out, and we love you all.
God bless y'all.
Have a great day.